Let us see how to solve this question. Find the value of a. A to the power a power 4. For here this a power 4. This a is the base and this is the exponent. So similarly we try to express 64 into this format. So let us see. So firstly we see this 4, so taking the 4 taking power 4 on both sides. (64) only 4. For this we using a to the power m holding n. This is can be written as a power m n, and also fathers a, this n and this m. Similarly we will get this and this. So a power a to the power 4 dot 4 by applying this formula. So 64 can be written as I to the power 2 and 4. Similarly we can be further simplify into this format. That is a to the power 4 holding a to the power 4 equal to, similarly by applying this indices row we multiply inside 2 4. Here a to the power 4 holding a to the power 4 equal to a to the power 2 into 4 is 8. So here we can see this number is base, we can take as a base, and this is the exponents. So by the rule, if here is equal to, so base are equal and exponential are equal, because this 8 and 8 similar way we can see here. So a to the power 4 going to 8. Therefore we can find out the value of a equal to plus minus 4 root over 8. This is the value of a. So if you have any doubt, please comment.